Let's talk mobility and how you can make your shop more efficient in minutes with the Bear Crawl mobile base lineup from Grizzly. Our Bear Crawl line features base options to fit a huge array of machine types. Everything from small, thin mortiser bases to the longer footprint joiners. We have a kit that even extends your base on large table saw extension wing. So what's so special about Bear Crawl? Well, there's a few things actually. Capacity and adjustability. We already covered a few oddly shaped yet very practical machines that the Bear Crawl line can cover, but rest assured it's right at home with traditional base sizes as well. That capacity is due to the simple adjustability. Loosen the bolts and adjust the rails to fit each side of the machine. Then tighten them back down. It's that easy. Have the machine footprint too large? Well, we got you covered with extended rails available on Grizzly.com. Now let's take a look at the durability and strength. Durability in the shop setting is a must, and the Bear Crawl lineup features a powder-coated finish over top steel frame components. The frame is all welded for the ultimate in rigidity, and the only non-steel component in the base is the heavy-duty rubberized leveling feet. These leveling feet and overall structure of the base is designed to support up to 900 pounds in the compact model and 1,200 pounds in the larger version. Our Bear Crawl family of bases is sure to have an option that fits your needs. Now let's talk mobility. Simply wheel your machine into position, press down on each toe flip lever, and the machine is now stationary and ready for use. Oh, and the leveling feet are height adjustable too. Every Bear Crawl features polyurethane wrapped cast wheels with ball bearings for smooth movement. I just mentioned mobility and ease of use, but take a moment to consider how much more efficient your current workspace could be if your primary machine were mobile. See all that new work area you're making by having your space modular? With the addition of a mobile base in your primary machine, you take a once cluttered space and turn it into a functional open space. And at Grizzly, we've taken our customer feedback and engineered our Bear Crawl lineup to meet the needs of everyone from the industry professional to the garage maker. Make the move to mobility today. You'll be happy that you did. Thanks for watching. And if you're looking for the perfect machine to fill this mobile base, check out Grizzly.com. Oh, and the video below. That's another good one.